Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about how to overcome the fear of speaking in English in front of the public. So this is a common fear that every English learner faced. So this is a common problem faced by every English learner. Okay, and if you have this type of problem, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. You need to first change your mindset, but for this mindset, what you need to do, you need to just follow all the steps which I'm going to share with you in this video. I will guide you through getting rid of fear of speaking English. So this meditation is for you to stop being afraid, to start working on English, on your goals. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, you need to just close your eyes, take a seated position, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in all the positive things that English brings to you, your life. Excitement about understanding others people, joy of being able to explain yourself, feeling of absolute happiness, knowing to you have a powerful instrument. Just start living a life about your dreams. Breathe out all the judgment, breathe out all the negativity, all the judgment if ever you experienced when learning a language. If someone ever said nasty things about you and your English, it was really just a reflection of that person. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Very often, our actions are controlled by our fears. Sometimes, those fears do not even belong to us. It brings to someone else and occupy it in our precious space in our brain. These fears prevent us from living a life that we want. Breathe in and breathe out all your fears. Learning English is a process, a very enjoyable and powerful process. We are learning a new language. We start living in a new life, in a new language. You rediscover yourself. You create a new environment. Start living in a new life with a new language. Remember the last time you were dreaming in English? Remember how effortless your speech was, how excited you are about the conversation. Get that feeling back by letting go of control. When we try to control too many things, when you try to avoid making mistakes, your mind gets overloaded and it stops. It blocks your actions. It starts creating, a wall for you. Relax. Let go of control. Because it's okay to make mistakes. Even native speakers also make mistakes. Stay in your mind. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I will not blame myself from making mistakes or forgetting the words, because I am on an exciting journey, on a journey to new life, and my English language is a wave in the ocean. Takes me there, that takes me there. And now I all have to do is let my body flow with that wave. My mistakes in English don't define me. The more mistakes I made today, the fewer I will making in the future. I am going to speak English and to use English also. No matter how many mistakes I make. People are imperfect by nature. I can't know everything, but I know that our brains are capable for retaining all the things. Breathe in and breathe out. I am not afraid of failure, because every mistake is just another steps on my journey to my goals. I can clearly see my goal. I can clearly see myself speaking in English. I can clearly see myself succeeding in English speaking worlds. My English gets better every day. My vocabulary is expanding. I have no fear about new life. I know that I am great, and I know that a lot of exciting things are waiting for me in my future. And I know that the English language is going to bring me there. And because of that, I do not doubt myself. I am not afraid of speaking. I believe in myself. I can reach my goal, and there is no limit to what I can achieve. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes and say out loud, I love my value, who I am. Thank you so much guys for joining me for this practicing today. So learning English is not just about the learning words, phrases and grammar. It's also about the working on your mindset. Okay, so being more confident and be happier. Okay, if you like this meditation, and if you really like this meditation, so please give it a try each and every day. And believe me, this meditation not only improve your fluency, but also it will, it will help you to get rid of all kind of problem related to English speaking. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.